Guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make the most amazing and simple, easy breakfast. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna go in and add 5 eggs, and be sure to remove the eye from the eggs. The eye is that white attachment to the yolk, alright? You always want to ensure that you remove the eye, because then if you don't remove it, then you know that your egg going to be raw. Alright, just take your time, use a spoon to remove it. Also, I'm gonna go in and add some black pepper and also some salt. I also have some onion, some spinach, some tomatoes, and I also have some bell peppers and scallion that I'm gonna add to the egg. Combine all of that together. I also went ahead and prepared my bread, put it in the muffin tin. First, you always want to ensure that you use your cooking spray to just spray your muffin tin first, and then you're gonna go in and add the bread and put it in the oven for roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, allow that to just warm up before you add the egg mixture. Alright, you want to ensure that you combine the egg and the seasoning together properly, alright? So, we are going to put this in the oven for roughly about 15 minutes. And then we're going to serve it up. Really easy, really simple breakfast. You can always go ahead and try it out. And listen, this is great for the kids, alright? So, we're just going to go ahead and fill the inside of the bread. And guys, if you want to remove the edge from the bread, you can always go ahead and do so, but I don't want to remove it because I like the edge of the bread, so I'm not going to remove it. All right, just a reminder, remember that the bread will soak up the egg mixture, so you just want to ensure that you fill it properly. All right, and even though it might run a little, that is okay. Remember that it's going to go in the oven, so it's going to rise. Alright, so don't worry about it if it run over. So I'm gonna bake this, as I said, for about 15 minutes and come back and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my egg and bread muffin. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's really easy and simple, very short, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.